As you can see, I'm ready to change my ostomy, so I'm going to show you how to use the equalizer. First, I have prepared my wafer so that I can put it on very quickly and not have my ostomy go. So I don't even need sealant on this anymore because the equalizer creates enough pressure on the skin so that it will stick without the sealant. So I'm going to put my wafer on right now, and I'm just going to put the hole right there and slide it on. So I use the equalizer, and this is what you do. Take it like this. You're going to go around and then press. And the cool thing about the equalizer is that it is bendable. So if you have an oval-shaped stoma, you can press it and press it on like that. So I'm going to continue using the equalizer for a few seconds just to make a good bond between the skin and the wafer. If you need the equalizer to get closer to the stoma, you can use the same technique as if you had an oval-shaped stoma. You can press it down like this, put it on, and then rotate it around. Go like that, so it'll get closer to the stoma. Now I'm going to take off the little paper on the sides of my ostomy. Go like that. And press these down to create that extra seal on the outside. And then I'm going to put on the bag. Make sure it's clicked, and don't forget to clip it.